on another beautiful set of Royal Crown Derby porcelain china Blue Aves. This is the gravy boat and its saucer. I don't think you can still buy it with its saucer. You can still buy the gravy boat for about just over £300, I think. This one dates from mid-century XXV China marks. I think it's 1970s, this one. The exact dates will be on the website listing, so if you follow the link above or below in YouTube, it'll feed you through and give you all the information about sizes, measurements and everything. It's in really immaculate condition. The gilt on this is beautiful. There's no marks on any of the porcelain at all. Just look at that gilding around the handle, the detail there. Really nice, beautifully moulded spout, quite a long spout coming right the way out, and a nice deep oval gravy boat. The saucer plate, as I say, isn't on the Royal Crown Derby website at all for purchase anymore, but this one dates from 1976 when it was in production. So if you want one, I think you're going to have to buy a vintage or collectible piece. Beautifully decorated again around the handles on the end, central oval well, quite a nice deep gravy saucer with a deep recessed oval base plate there. Again, very, very clean, no scratches, no marks or anything on it. Beautifully decorated in the Aves pattern, and it holds the gravy boat really nice and firmly. A lovely set of collectible and vintage Royal Crown Derby Blue Aves gravy boat and saucer. We're selling them as a set. Thanks for watching.